Hello and welcome. So, how do you unlink TikTok business account from your TikTok? So, it's fairly easy. Just go ahead and log into your seller's account here. It all has to do with the seller's account, not the direct TikTok account itself. So, once you're prompted to the seller account, there's going to be a solution here to do just exactly that. Okay, so we're going to be unlinking your shop here. So first and foremost, familiarize all this stuff right here so you won't get lost. So a lot of people get lost here in these so-called complicated traversable platform. So yeah, just go ahead and click on the my account here. So once you click that, you just scroll down and you're going to be seeing this link TikTok account. And let's just wait for it to load. Here it is. Here's your TikTok account, if you've already linked it, of course. So click here to unlink, and that'll do the job for you. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.